Hey there! How are my masters of the internet doing today? It's Gabrielle Everett here again, and today I'm going to do a quick tutorial showing you how to place a YouTube video inside a Powered Lead System sales page. That way you can send your email list to your sales pages with your unique and individual videos. So here we go. I'm just gonna pop over to YouTube where I have a video that I've already prepared, and I am going to click on the sharing link, and then I am also going to again click on the Embed Code, and I'm going to copy that Embed Code and bring that back to Powered Lead System. Now in Powered Lead System we want to go to Web Pages and create web pages. We will create one with a custom template. For this one, we will not use the opt-in form because this is not going to be a capture page. This will be the second page or third page that your prospect will see after they've opted in. So you go to the sample page with all the templates, and I'm going to pick this one here because I just want to really feature the video. Okay, then you will name the page there. So this one is going to be called Linking a Weber to PLS. Okay, so you have a header image. This is a point and click feature. Pick out a header to place on top. So let's see. I'll just go with this one right here for now. And we can change the headline right here. And then we'll type that in. Linking a Weber to Powered Lead System. So that's going to be my text. And hit this little OK button right here. So there you have it. Then we will edit the second part of the page. So underneath the video, I do want a button. So I will say I want my content to show up. And after, let's say 5 seconds, the button will pop up. I do want a button. All right, and what I'm going to type in here is what will show up on the button. Click here. And then what I want the button to link to will also go in here, and I'm going to link it to another website. That website is going to be my YouTube channel. Okay, and I'll come back for that because right now I have that embed code, so I do want to make sure that I paste that in. Okay, so at the bottom of that web page, whatever you have typed in this box, that's what will show up on the bottom. So I'll say looking forward to working with you. And we want to save those changes. Next step is background color. I'm just going to leave that the same. Well, let me just show you one more time how to change the color. So we'll just slide this little bubble around till we get a color that we want to use. And then must click this red button in order to change that. Alright, so now we want to select the video location. And I want to use a video from another website. So I'm going to click on that radio button. And then I will paste that embed code right in there. I'm going to hit start my video automatically, so it will start as soon as the person arrives at the page, and save those changes. So now we want to go back up to edit bottom, because I want to send the viewer to my YouTube page, my YouTube channel. And we're going to zip back over to YouTube and pick up that URL, highlighting it and copying it. You might not be able to see it on the screen. But then I'm coming back, and here I'm going to tell the program to send, once someone clicks that button, you're going to send them to my YouTube channel. So let's put that in there and save the changes. Okay, background set, video location set. We are going to do a review now and see how the page looks. So let's take a look and see if everything came out okay. And there it is.
Hey there! How are my masters of the internet doing today?
Okay, so we see that the header is here, our text is here in the right place, there's the video, and click here for more tutorials. We're going to click on that button and it goes straight to my YouTube channel. So everything is working. All right. So if you have any questions, you can find my contact information below. My email is there, and so are all my links to my income opportunities, the 3-step program, which includes Power Lead System. You can find all that below, folks. Okay, so get in touch and let's make that money.